Luffy. Hi, baby. You ready to go to the park? Luffy, are you ready to eat? I made you some Omerice. I hope you like it. Baby, are you ready to eat? Hold on. Let me cut it up for you. We got some chicken, beef, shrimp, carrot, zucchini, potato, and some cheese and eggs. Alright, I think that's good enough. Are you ready? Ready for your close-up, Luke? Oh, yeah! 많이 먹어? Baby, you don't have to eat it all. It's a lot of food, I know. 아이고, 잘 먹네. Luffy, is it yummy? He's like, Mom, what do you think? I'm eating, aren't I? Oh my goodness, I think you're gonna finish it. You love my cooking! Are you full, baby? Good job. Don't worry. You don't have to eat it all. I'll give you more later. How was it, baby? Was it yummy? So yummy. Clean the plate. God damn. Wow. Good boy. Thank you, Luffy. Give mommy kisses? Oh, you want the rub. Okay.
난 내가 사랑하는 걸 느껴 너와 발을 맞출 때 yeah. 이렇게 기분 좋은 걸 향기